Yes, so we're just starting the recording. Okay, so this course, although it says like this course is specifically, let me, yeah, let me find this. Yes, so this is a course I was initially planning for a crash. As I already told you guys, I was initially planning for a crash course in geological in structural geology. But now, because I've seen such enthusiasm from participants and from students, that I've decided to make it a longer course so that we can cover most parts of structural geology, especially those that are related to geological structures and mapping, because we've seen in competitive examinations many times they are asking questions that are related to interpretation of maps, or in many cases interpretation of 3D structures and how they appear in map. So you should be able to go both ways. From a 3D structure, you should be able to visualize how a map will look, and from a map you should be able to visualize how a structure will look. So this course, if you're preparing for any examination, whether it is subjective or objective type, you will benefit greatly. Uh, Even for students who are appearing in JAM, so most of the students are here, they are appearing for postgraduate examinations after they have done their bachelor, but there are some students who are preparing for JAM also. So for them also, this course will be extremely helpful. Now I think I have introduced myself many times, so this is the last time. Promise me, I'll promise that I'll do it. So for those who do not already know me, uh, my name is Lawrence Kanyan, and I am an IIT Roorkee alumnus. I graduated in 2014, and since then I have worked in Shell, I worked in ONGC, and also I was there for some assistantship at University of Texas Austin. Uh, and I have like great experience in clearing competitive examinations, and I have excelled in most of the examinations that I have appeared in. So and recently I just moved to Canada this month only, and mm, right now we are in home quarantine. So this is mandatory quarantine for 14 days. So we have already finished 12 days. Only 2 more days are left, and hopefully we'll be out if everything goes well, so we don't feel get sick or anything by after 2 days, so on 24th. So I decided, like, because here also everything is closed, so I decided like, if why not give it a try. It'll Students will benefit from these classes. So again, as I told previously, this course in this course we will so today's lecture is not about starting structural geology. It is just to take you through the format of the course, how will we conduct classes, and then I'll send another invite and schedule about classes so that we can start, and also to take feedback from you guys, what format you will like, live classes or pre-recorded ones, things like that. So this is just an interactive session. So I'm going to give you key highlights of this course. So all your exam preparation requirements you'll find in one place. For example, if you want to practice questions, if you want to practice numerical problems and non-numerical types, if you want study material, if you want to prepare for subjective answers, so all your exam preparation requirements will be in one place. You don't need to go through any external material. Everything you need you will get in this course, although you are welcome to go through any third party sources or reference textbooks if you like, but I'll try to make this course in such a way that all your examination or preparation needs, they will be in a single place. So there'll be practice questions and numericals. We'll have lectures live as well as pre-recorded ones. And why, I'll tell you why it will be a combination of both. Uh, then I can't promise it. So, but I will try to have some guest lectures also. So from people here who are already settled here, from foreign faculty. So I'll try to organize a few guest lectures. And again, I can't promise this also because of the situation that is there. So if we can, because we are studying structural geology, and it will not be, I will not be doing justice to the subject if we are just confining ourselves to the class. So if you can see any field examples, but because of the present situation, again, I cannot promise, but I will try my level best. Guys, I'll request you to please not annotate on the slides for the moment. Or maybe I will disable it in the annotations. Yeah. So in this course, most of the students, they have a background in geology, and they will find some of the topics very basic. So it will be waste of time, everyone's time, if in the live lectures we are going through those topics. So for example, about what are contours. So some of you will already know a lot about what is contouring and things like that. So such topics I will send you in pre-recorded format so that you can view them, or you can even skip them if you think they are too basic for you. We will use online platform for this course, and I'll show you which platform. If some of you have already enrolled in any of the Planet Geology courses, you would already know which platform this is. So Mrinal is already taking courses, and I'm also taking that remote sensing detailed course. So those who have already enrolled in those, they will be familiar. Difficult topics I will deliver in live lectures, and then I'll take students' feedback into consideration as I go through this course. But there are like some commitments that I need from your side also. So I need like complete dedication and hard work from your sides, and I need complete consistency. So consistency here, I'm not saying like you'll one day you'll sit and in 12 hours you'll finish everything, or you sit 24 hours, you will finish everything. No, what I want is to be consistent, so that as we are progressing, because that online platform that I talked about we're using, I can check your progress. So I want each and everyone to be up to date, up to mark. So your progress should be every week, it should be 100%. And there are no excuses. If I find that someone is not up to the marks, you are not up to your progress is lacking behind, it is showing that progress is 10%, 20%, and because there are some students who are not able to register and who are really wanting to join the classes, so if you are not making complete use of the platform, you will be asked to leave the class. But I mean, I will not be happy with that thing, but this is just to keep you guys motivated, because the job of taking courses, or there are many courses online, so my job as an instructor would be not just to teach you, but also to motivate you and keep you on track. So this is my way of keeping you on track, that I will unenroll you from the course if you are too far behind. So you have to be up to the mark. And most important, don't stress out, you have to be first happy. So if you are stressed out, you will not be able to perform well in the examinations. So there are some steps that you need to follow to enroll in this course. The first one is you have to go to this link. I'll show you this link, and I'll also email it to everyone. So this is the link to the course website, and you have to go to this course website and you have to enroll for a free preview. Don't pay, because it will show you the course price for this course. You don't need to pay because I made this course free. I will provide access to the entire course. So you will not have to pay, you will have to enroll in the free preview, and then I will manually enroll you for the entire course. And then the content will be uploaded with time. So future content. So now you will see there are not many lectures over there. If you go to another course, for example, the remote sensing course is already complete. So if you want to join that course, you will see that all the material is already uploaded. You can download, you can view it, and you can progress through it. Now I will show you this platform that I was talking about. Now this, yeah. So it's showing resume course because I've already enrolled. And yeah, this is the one I want to show. So this is the website I will share with everyone. So before we go any further, I'll take your feedback if everything is all right, if you understand everything. Let's see. I will. So you can text if everything is audible. If I am audible, you can text it, and you can also post it in the comments. So in the chat, you can post. We'll see. Yeah, so everything say it's all right. So I'm still audible. So nice. Any question? Do you have any questions until now? You can type your questions in the comments if you have any questions. Okay, so I'm not. Okay, so I'm not getting any questions at the moment. So I'll just tell you how to. We have to enroll in free preview before. Yes. So Vishal, yes, we have to, and you have to enroll in the free preview before we go to the next class. So is the remote sensing course also free? No, the remote sensing course actually it was conducted back in March, and actually it was not a live course. It's a recorded course only, and there are many lectures, so you'll find all the study material over there. So this course is not free, so but we will actually are providing discount, so I will talk about that later on. So which will the course cover all topics structural geology? Yes, so this course will cover all topics of structural geology that are asked in JAM and competitive examinations. I will try to cover most of them. Maybe if one or two are skipped, you can request me, and if enough students ask those questions, ask for those topics, we can cover those. Uh, so let me tell you about this remote sensing principles course also. So this is how remote sensing principles, so some of you are asking. So this is how this course will appear at the moment. So you see, if you click here in the remote sensing course, you can see that all these lectures have been uploaded. So there are video lectures, there are study material. So you will find presentations, video lectures, as well as quizzes. So for this course participant, so we are actually offering 1,000 rupees discount on this course, but this course is not free. This is for 2,000. But if you are preparing, even if you are preparing for subjective papers such as UPSC and others, so this course will be extremely helpful for you. And if you are preparing for GATE and for GATE examination or any other objective type, it will be extremely helpful for you, because I've included 275 practice problems within this course. So other than lectures and study material, there are a lot of practice problems with numericals. So again, coming back to this geological structures course. So this course is actually mostly for geology students, and if remote sensing, if I'm not sure about petroleum engineering syllabus. So if you are here just to learn, because structural geology is also important for petroleum engineers. It forms like one of the main core branches of geology. So if you're just here to enhance your knowledge, it will be extremely helpful for even for petroleum engineers, because they need to understand the basics of geology. From competitive examination points of view, I have not gone through the syllabus of petroleum engineering, so I cannot comment on that. So Vishal is asking if this structural course will be free throughout. Yes, I can say for this structural course, this will be free throughout, but I cannot promise this for all the courses. So will there be any petrology course coming from? Yeah, so I will plan for a petrology course also. So now I will ask you, so we can take questions later on, so that I can show you how you can go through this free, go through the enrollment process of this course. So again, I will share this link also in the chat so that you can all copy. So you have to go through So you have to go to this link, which I've shared in the chat. So what you do is you'll have to enroll for free preview. So here all the course details are there. And let me share this remote sensing also if anyone is interested in this one. So the geological structures and maps course is free. So what you need to do is you need to click on this free preview. So here it will ask you some details which you'll have to fill in, and after you fill in these details you will be enrolled. So and you'll be able to see the lectures that are already uploaded. So here, for example, this course I've already logged in. So after you fill in these details, so you will then be able to log into this course. You will have a password. So initially you will be enrolled in free preview. So when you are enrolled in free preview, you will not be able to view all the course material. So some course material I make it available to everyone, so that everyone can preview the course. After that, you will only be able to access it if you are enrolled in the full course. So usually how this happens is students, for example, for the remote sensing course, what students did was they enrolled in the free preview, and then because some of them were not comfortable with making payment with debit card or credit card, and because the discount that I'm offering, it is only if you're paying via UPI transactions. So I asked students to enroll in the free preview, and then they made the payment via UPI, and then I enrolled them in the full course. So in this course, you have to do the same for structural geology also. Only difference is you don't have to make any payment. So you first enroll in the free preview, and then I will enroll in the complete course. Now you see, after I go to the course, you will see all these things. So here, after you enroll in the course, you'll be able to see the curriculum that we will cover. So this curriculum is not up to date. So this was designed when I was trying to design this course for mostly structural mapping, so that you are able to solve those problems. So I will add a few more topics so that we are able to cover the structural geology course. There are some videos here, so you can go to different chapters. So these video lectures, so everything that you see in this course, this lesson is a lesson. So even this will come as a lesson, this course syllabus, and then you can actually go through different videos and you can click on these. So for example, there is a welcome video. And then, for example, if I go to the first chapter, so here I have already included, I have so I have already included some pre-recorded lectures in this, so I will upload more. So you can go through these after you click on this course, and there are some quizzes also. For example, if you so this remote sensing course are not there already. So here we have not uploaded all the material, so I will show you if you want to go. So this is all the previews. For example, for other courses, yes, yeah, for example, for this course, if you see, so this will tell you how you can navigate, because I have more material here, so it will be better to show from this one. For example, here you see all these video lectures. So here also initially you got syllabus, so you will see all these different segments. So you have different chapters or different units within the course, and then you go to any of these units, and then actually it is advisable to go one after the another, one after other. So you will find these, yeah, so these videos, and then you will have these quizzes also. So you go through, so this what you see here as these are the presentations which you can view within this course. So it is very easy to use this platform. So you just have to, it is very intuitive. So once you open it, you will be able to navigate your way through yourself. And then, so there will be mostly three types of lectures. So first is video lectures, which you have already seen. For example, this kind of lectures where you see this camera mark. So these are video lectures. And then you have the PDFs of the class presentation, and then finally you have these numerical problems and other quizzes, so that you can solve these problems. So if you do confirm example, so you will get your explanations and everything. So I just didn't calculate this one, but it will show you how to do this. So you will have because you will have a very similar format for the structural geology course also. And then you can go to discussions also for each question if there are any discussions. So because these are not this is not a test series, so I'm not stopping you from discussing or asking other students how this should be solved. If there is a question which none of you are able to solve, I will also try to jump in so that I can join the discussion and clarify any doubts that you have. Okay, so coming back to this structural geology course, so after you enroll, you will get access, and then you will see if there are any so I have not uploaded the presentations yet, so you will be able to view the entire course material. So please go through this. I'll request you to please enroll yourselves in this free course, in this free preview, and then maybe shoot me an email, or I will just verify your details if you have already registered, and I will enroll you in the full course. Okay. Let me see. So someone is saying the site link is not visible on the chat. Anyways, don't worry. So I'll send you link to both these courses. I'm not sure why is it not visible. I think it should be visible now. So these are the links. Anyway, I will send you this link in the email also, so that you can join. So Tina is asking, can you please make a mock test series based on entire syllabus of GATE? So that is the plan. For the start, yes, so we will plan a mock test series for the GATE, and we will announce it when we do start it. I will send out a survey also regarding that, how many of you are interested. But for the test series, you have to realize making question, for example, I myself made like 275 questions for the remote sensing course, which is a lot. It takes a lot of time. So making these problems, and for the entire GATE syllabus, so we will have to hire other people to do the job. And if we launch the test series, it will not be free. So it will not be free. So I will ask you guys to fill in the survey if you are actually interested in this class. Okay. Yeah, so now you can ask if there are any other questions. Okay, so Ankit is asking how many lectures will we have on structural geology. That will actually I'm also delivering it this course. I've actually done it live in the live class, but online I'm doing it for the first time. So I can't really say how many lectures there will be. So, but you can see there will be at least 10 to 15 chapters in this course, and for this course. So we will see through time only how many lectures there will be in total. So for how, but see, when I'm teaching this course, I'm like fixing myself to the time limit. So I want to have the luxury of time, so that I'm able to do justice to the course, so that everyone understands. So I'm not going to rush through it. So how long this course will run? So Ashok, so are you asking like how long will you have access to the course, or you're asking like how much time are we going to take to complete this course? So how much times? Okay, so I'll try to finish this course within 1 month. So if we are really aggressive, maybe if everything is in place, maybe we'll be able to finish it in 20 days so or so. But we will try to finish it within 1 month. So at least all the lectures we will try to finish within 1 month. Problem statements, because I have to prepare for lectures also and problem statements also. So these problems may take slightly more time, but I'll try to finish everything within 1 month. uh, so all numericals related to, yes, we will try to cover all numericals, especially, yeah, even those that are related to Mohr circle, we will cover that. And I promise you, after you study Mohr circle, you will not face any problems. You will be able to solve all the problems. It is not a very difficult topic. Many students, because they are not studying it the right way, they find it difficult. It's actually pretty easy. uh, so Dibyajit is asking like to start from the basic because he's an undergrad student. Yes, we are including the basics also, but as I said before, for some of students, so basics, if covering going through the basics will be a repetition and waste of time. So those topics will be available in a pre-recorded format so that you can go through those. Make series of individual subject numerical for GATE test series of syllabus numerical 1 month before gate examination. Yes, Akash, I will try to, I've noted your request and I'll try to start like a sort of crash course for the entire numerical geology course also. Will this course cover entire syllabus of structural geology? Guest? Yes, Mohammed, we will cover the entire syllabus of structural geology for this course. You don't need to worry about that part. uh, Especially the parts which are very critical related to numeric. So in GATE, you've seen, if you've seen previous year papers, you will know that most of the time they're asking questions. So one will be a numerical based question. For example, this time they asked about this, what was, yeah, true dip, apparent dip. For example, now sometimes you will learn formula for true dip and apparent dip, but you don't actually need to learn any formula. It is a like 1 minute problem that you can solve if you know the basic trigonometry, cos theta, sin theta, tan theta. You just need to know the correct way how to visualize these things. uh, can any other student who has not registered here will be, so I've seen, if there are any students who have not registered here, so the link which I sent for initial registration, if you click on that link right now, what will you see? You will see that this course is closed, but I have given an email on that link only, to which you can send the request. So I will look at the request on case by case basis so that I can enroll those who have not registered. So I think there'll be some in the meeting, this meeting also, if you have forwarded to your friends. So please tell them to send an email to me and I will see if I can register them. Will there be any course which will cover entire GATE syllabus? Yes. Again, it depends. So see, we are in quarantine now. So if we get enough interest, and actually we are getting enough interest, so we will try to cover the entire GATE syllabus also. But you see, I'm conducting this course so that as many students as possible, they can see, they can experience my teaching style. If they find it interesting, they can give me feedback and I can also gauge the interest of the students. Sir, where will we get the link for enrollment? So Pranjal, we will I had already shared that link on the course website. I will share it again. I'll send an email. So there you will see there is no link. Actually, that link for registration is not active anymore because we have closed the registration. But how I'm registering students right now is you have to send me an email. So only through email I am registering. So through the link, it was sort of like an automatic registration. Now I'm doing registration on case by case basis. So let's see if I can find that link also. So so this page, for example, if you go to latest ones, so there are some, if you can see other, so yeah, So you can see these posts, all the posts here. Yeah. So here is the registration link you will see. So for example, if I click on this one, it will show you registration is closed. So you'll have to send an email to this email ID and then you can join. So for enrollment. So you already know. So for free preview enrollment, you have to go to the link which I already shared. So the links which I already shared for geological structures and map, this link, this is where you have to go. So for the free preview enrollment, and I will only enroll those for the full course who have already registered themselves. So before you, for registration, you will have to go to this link. So I will share this one, guys. So this course, yeah. So here you can click on register and then you will see the email ID. So this is the link for enrollment. So Namit, you're saying I've signed for the course. Yeah, you will get the full access to the course. So I will enroll you all into this course. But yeah, that may take some time because there are so many students, and then we'll have another class also in the evening, and I will enroll students from there. So it may take some time, and the schedule of the classes, I will experiment with it a little bit. So initially, I will tell you when the next class will be. I will send you invite. Usually, I'll try to take class every day, but I will try to see how many students are actually joining us. Those who have already enrolled can directly go to link and register. Yeah, so everyone, so those who have already enrolled, they can directly go to the free preview and then they can enroll. Okay. So again, I will repeat if any of you missed. So what you have to do is you have to open this link. Don't click on buy, click on free preview. Once you click on free preview, so you can go through this course structure here, and then you can click on free preview. Now I will see. Yeah. Yes, I will send an email link via email also, so that you can all join in. Yeah, I will stop sharing the screen for the moment so that you can all view. So are there any questions? Any further questions? So allow participants to unmute themselves. So you can now, if you have any questions, you can also unmute yourself and ask the question, and then you can mute yourself again if you're comfortable with that. And if anyone would like to introduce themselves, they can also introduce. So we have, I think now, student. So the next class that we will meet in, so we will start the course. Before that, you can go through the material that is already uploaded on the course websites. Will the live lectures recording be also available on the website? So the thing is, live lecture videos, I was planning initially to upload them on the website, but now because I see students, they fall behind a lot. So the pre-recorded lecture videos, you can see them on the course website, but I want all the students to be up to date to the course. So I will not make the live recordings visible. So you will only be able to able to view those live. So so that you're forced to attend all the classes. Otherwise, I know, see, enrolling in courses, many people do that. So they will enroll. So the difference between live, when you teach live, and between class enrollments is that you are not progressing, or you are not on schedule. You will miss classes. There will be a lot of backlog. So to prevent that, I will not make those recordings available. Sir, my connection so anything is weak. I asked regarding rotational fault problem. What I don't understand. So actually, see, a lot of you, because a lot of you are sending, I will request you, please do not send me personal messages regarding problems. You can, so, but I will ask you to actually put problems in the discussion forum so that everyone can benefit. And I cannot personally reply to everyone also, because there are already so many students. So you've seen like there are like almost 500 students have registered. How will you know the schedule of live lecture? So I will send you email. So please also keep checking your spams folder so that you do not miss any email. So if someone misses live class due to any genuine reason or issue. So if you have any genuine reason or issue, you can request me ahead of time, but I will look at that on case to case basis. Even if, let's say, you are conducting classes in a classroom, then also if you have some reason, sometimes you miss classes. So for that, you'll have to make up for yourself. But if it is really genuine reason, you can ask me personally if I can share the recorded lecture with you. But I will prefer not to do it. I will prefer that all of you actually attend the live classes. I don't want the classes to be just like me. I don't want it to be just another recorded lesson that there are no participants in the live class, and then I'm just recording to empty screen and then I'm sharing it. So very little chance that I will share the live recorded live videos. So I want you all to attend live lectures. But if it is genuine reason, let's say if you get corona or something, then maybe I'll consider. But not like if I have like to attend some wedding, or I have to go here and there. So then, see, everyone can have. There will many people will have genuine reasons. So if you are in some difficult situation, if it is very difficult, I will allow. But if it is a minor problem, then you will have to adjust. Many people adjust, and you will, maybe you do self study for that part. Sir, sometimes there is internet problem. Yes, but these days, I think with Geo, I think, yeah, I get your point. So I'll think about it, how we can manage that situation if there is internet problems. So I have classes of my own university. What if it's collaborate with yours? Okay, so actually most of the classes that we'll conduct, so I will send out a survey of what will be the most convenient time for you guys to have the classes, whether it is in the night or in the afternoon. So based on that, so there is a time difference also, because I'm not in India at the moment. So I will have to manage that. Most of the times for me, it's most convenient if we have classes in the night in Indian time, so that I can have the classes during the daytime. Some saying there can be power cut also. Okay, so that's what I say, like said, these reasons, it will depend on those reasons. But again, if there will not be, if we have like 50 lectures or so, like for example through this course, there will not be a power cut in all this. If you miss one or two lectures, then maybe you'll have to make it up for yourself. But I will only make it an exception. I will only make it an exception if of sharing the recorded lectures. Will you be taking a class twice a day? Not, I don't actually plan to take class twice a day, because that will take a lot of time. I'm still looking at my options, so in the Google Meet. So we will see how many participants actually turn up. So after a few classes, we will see what is the regular what is the regular attendance of the class. If the regular attendance is up to 250, then we can manage with one class only. And if for example, now if we are having like this comments only, so there is an option of YouTube live also. So YouTube live, there we can have unlimited participants, but for any sessions that we will need to conduct, where I need to interact with you guys personally, then we will have to either go to Zoom or with Google Meet. But that YouTube live is also a good option. So maybe you could provide short notes or something. Yeah, so that is the thing. So you will have notes, access to notes and lecture slides also. So just to clarify, if one of you misses the classes, so you can actually go through the class lecture notes. So those will be shared. So that you can be on track. So even if you miss a class, you can look at the class notes. And I will send you, if I annotate or write on any slides, those annotated slides I will also try to share. So Prajakta, you say thank you. Yeah, I'm also glad like you are enrolled in this course, and welcome. And that those materials will be, yes, so I will share the material on the website, Vishal, so you will have access to the materials as I showed you. And for example, I have not shared anything for the structural geology course, but for remote sensing course, if you look at the website, so then you will see that all these videos you will be able to see them online. So let me show you again how you will see those. So now I think you'll be able to see my screen. So you're asking about lecture. So you will not be able to download them. So every time you will have to log in and view these. For example, this PDF is there. So this PDF, it will take some time to load. So like this, for example, this is for the remote sensing course. So all these PDF slides are there, which you can access. So this is how, so just like this for structural geology course also, you will have access to these. From tomorrow, yes, from tomorrow we will start the class from BSc Geology students preparing for IIT JAM. So hello Gokil, welcome to the course. Preparing for IIT JAM. So this course, yes, so this course will cover, actually if you cover this course, you will actually study more than what is there in the JAM syllabus. Pim, so any questions that you ask, that will be for the question session. So I will, especially technical questions, and it will be better if you post them on the discussion forums in the course, so that other students can also, so right now I will not be taking any questions, so that other students can also benefit from it, and it is visible in future also. So now if you ask any question, all students cannot ask again. So I will ask you, like, if you have any questions, to save it for the coming lectures. But yes, we will cover JAM syllabus also. And some of you, if you are just interested, if you are not appearing in any examination, you are just in university, you want to learn structural geology, you will benefit a lot from this course. So Pranjali is asking if I can show how to enroll in this course, and email which you have to send you. Okay, so the link that you have to share is, again I'm showing this. So here when you click on register on this link, I hope, yeah, so this was actually sent privately, so I will send it to everyone. Yes, so this is the link which everyone has to go. So if you have not already registered for this course, in the previous, and enrollment is now closed. If you click on register, you will see that there is a message. So you will have to send an email that you are interested, express your interest through the email. So time, actually I'll send out a survey. What do you, so you guys can think what time will be, you can answer now, what time is most convenient to you all. So it has to be convenient to me and you also. So based on that, I will start these classes. Nighttime India, okay. So nighttime India, around 9:30, is that all right? So I don't actually have a WhatsApp group. We have, for notification, we have a Telegram group. I have already sent the invite via email about the Telegram channel that you can follow. And on the Telegram channel, I sent for a group invite. So let me see for this. Yes, so this group invite I've already sent. So no more classes after 9 p.m. nighttime, perfect. Yes, so some say like night 9:30 is good. Some of you say make it 8 p.m. So okay, so I will send out an email. So just keep nighttime. So everyone, I think they prefer nighttime. I think in the daytime you will have some classes also, and nighttime actually suits me also. So right now it's 7 in the morning, so I had to wake up at 5 o'clock to start this class at 6 in the morning. So it was afternoon and evening. So nighttime will be perfect for me also. Yeah. Okay, I'll conduct a poll. Yes, so it will come as registration is closed. So it is saying the message that my email address is given on the link on which you can request me to allow you. Yes, it will show registration is closed. So because I'm considering now right now invitations on case by case basis, so it will depend on that. For those who have not already, let me share this Telegram channel request, you guys. So this is the Telegram invite. So you can join the Telegram channel on this link. And another thing, so for the courses, I'll send again these links. After registration. After registering for free preview, you do not need to send me an email. I will automatically get an email from the course website. So you do not need. Okay, Ash. Hello, Ashutosh. Thank you very much for supporting these classes. Yes. Another thing that I want to ask you guys, I don't know, like from examination point of view, that might not be very useful, but for visualization, yeah, it can be useful also if you want to visualize. So in my previous classes that I was taking, so that was for students already who had already enrolled. So what I was doing was I was using Google Earth a lot for 3D visualization of different structures. I actually made a lot of effort to look at different outcrops that you can see on Google Earth and how you can relate those map patterns to the outcrop patterns. For example, a lot of time you will get a question on rule of bees, how to interpret that. sometimes you will not remember it. So you can actually have seen a lot of examples of those. I will let me share my screen with you once again. Just a second, I'll show you. So if you will be interested in that, you can send your responses also. If or you think that will be waste of your time, but or I can have some bonus lectures so that only those who want to attend those courses, they will attend. So for in cases where I see it's required, so I may not do this, but in many cases I will try to use Google Earth. And Google Earth, not all of you, I mean, you need a really good system for that. If you have old computers, you may not be able to run all the features of Google Earth, but I'll show you, for example, some of these things which I had. So there are some live examples of these things. So if you'll be interested to know these things. So for example, here you see this outcrop pattern of a plunging anticline. And let me share this screen with you first. Yes, so you see these sort of patterns so that you can actually look at real world examples of different structures, especially for mapping course. This will be very useful if you are not able to visualize these things. And sometimes you see these are just lines of map. What is their actual meaning? Why are we studying, for example, rule of V's? Why are we studying geological maps? So you'll be able to relate. So if you are interested in these, you can say yes. If enough students are interested, I will try to teach in this manner also. I will give these examples. I've already recorded them. For example, so there is, I will show you one example here. So you see these rule of V's, you would have, all of you would have studied. So if you look in this map pattern, you see these V's. So these are not again structural contours, these are outcrop patterns of lithology. And you see many times you will have seen how a valley cuts these, and then you see I can use this process for 3D visualization, and then I can share these files with you also. So if you're interested, you can express your interest in that also. So you're saying you're from yeah, if you are interested, so if any people, so then I will try to include those examples also. So it's almost like now 1 hour. So we will try to have classes, 1 hour class. And if we have like a 2 hour class in a day, so I'll try to have a short 10-15 minute break in the middle. So when you're deciding your time, whether 8 p.m. or 9 p.m., think of it in this manner that sometimes the class may go up to 2 hours, or sometimes even 3 hours the class can go. So if you start at 8 o'clock, what time you'll have dinner? Okay, if you want to have it after or before. If you start at 9:30, then it may go up to at least 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock also. So keep that in mind also when you are sending your responses. Okay. So I think, so we'll vote on it. So some of you are saying 9:30, some of you are saying 3:30, and some of you are saying 7:30. So I'll, these three times, 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock, and 3 o'clock, I'll send an invite and see which one is better. And some of you are saying one in afternoon, one in night. Yeah, I think that might also work. That if we are, especially on days on which we have a longer class, so we can have, for example, a 1.5 hour class in the afternoon and 1.5 hour class in the night, if you're okay with that. Again, yeah, I think a poll on Telegram will be good, and that will and that will be fair also, so that none of you feel that, okay, you didn't listen to me, you listened to him, or like, so that those things do not happen. All right, guys, if there are no further questions, I will stop this lecture, and I look forward to have you in the class. So if you have any further questions, you can send it on the Telegram group. Let me share the invite for Telegram group too. Let's see. Yeah, so this is the group. Oh, sorry, I think I sent it to Prem. Send it to everyone. And if anyone is interested in the remote sensing course also, so you can message me. So that course is already complete. So if you have additional time these days, so you can go through that course. Maybe it will take you 1 or 2 weeks to complete the whole thing. It is very detailed. It is better than what you will find anywhere else. There are video lectures, practice questions, everything you will find in one place. And if any of you are concerned about the C, I'm also running these courses for the first time. So sometimes when, for example, I launched this remote sensing course, prices sometimes, for example, Minal also, if you are enrolled in that course also, so you see prices keep going up and down. So if anytime in future the prices go up or down, so your request will be accommodated. For example, if you're trying to enroll in the complete package, things like that, so this course will be entirely free. But for future, any future courses, so if you have made any payments already, so for the future payments, that amount will be deducted from you, so that it is not unfair to anyone. Okay, so with this, if anyone would like to open their webcam and introduce, so they are welcome to do. So let's see if anyone wants to share, so that, see, we should know each, so we are all in the same class now, so we should know each other at personal level also. So if anyone would like to share, you can, I have already, I think, turned, yeah, you can unmute yourself and introduce yourself also. But if you are a little shy, you don't want to do this, there is no pressure. So let's wait if anyone wants to introduce themselves. You can turn on your webcam also. I think you guys are still a little shy. Next time I think I take class, I will ask each of you to be on unmute and to turn on your webcam. Okay then, guys. So that's not all. So that will be all. So I will end this meeting now. If you have any questions, you can shoot them on the Telegram group. I will try to answer as many as possible. Okay. So bye-bye everyone, and welcome to the course again. And for the second class, it will be the repeat of the same thing. And let's see how many students join us for that. So, and based on the experience we will have, we will see how many classes we'll have every day. So thank you guys, thank you everyone for all your wishes that you're sending me, and I hope that you actually enjoy this course. And I will, if it is possible, if the situation permits, I will try to conduct a short one-day field trip also. So bye everyone, and yeah, you too have a safe day and stay safe, stay at home, and keep studying. Okay, bye everyone.